Grabe yung morals nyo, guys. Let's say goodbye and thank you to contestant number 4, yung bata.
I just wanna say that I'm glad to be taken out of this highly inhumane contest. I thank you.
Yeah! We teach them young.
Yes.
We teach them young.
We teach them young. Before she kills them. So who is judge number 3?
Yes, our judge number 3 is actually the descendant of the main conceptualizer of the Disney movie Bambi.
Wow, yes. Very memorable.
Descendant po siya. We are in the presence of a Disney descendant.
Love it.
Our last judge for the evening, Judge Has.
What inspired you to go into hunting?
What inspired you to go into hunting? Let's begin with contestant number 1.
What inspired me to go hunting is hunting makes use of a sharp mind. Because in farming, all you do is wait for the good seasons to come. But in hunting, there is never a good season. It is either I hate you or I hate you. And so even if I choose to be in this controversial profession, because that was the choice of the many, in the future issue of National Geographic, this will be the final page. Take me out of the dark, my love! I don't wanna be there! Maraming sagot sa sustainable food supply. Ang oras lang nito, kailangan niyong bumoto maayos!
Thank you, contestant number 1. Same question, contestant number 3.
Alam mo, Judge, bilang maraming taon na akong nag-hunting, ang nag-inspire talaga sa akin para mag-hunting ay si contestant number 1. Dahil gusto ko na iba naman yung ma-target ko.
Such a reveal, no? Yes.
Tuwing nakikita ko, tuwing nakakasabay ko si contestant number 1, sinasabi ko sa sarili ko, with every kiss and every hug, you make me fall in love, and I know I can't be the only one. Shoot.
Thank you very much, contestant number 3.
Oh, wow.
This is a close fight.
This is a close
This is a close fight. Again, morals will be challenged.
Yes, and it is a close fight because our contestants are literally close.
Correct.
To each other.
Correct.
Yes.
So ngayon, ladies and gentlemen, you will pick the winner by mode of applause.
Mode of applause.
Pinakamalakas is the winner.
Yes.
Is it our baby killer, contestant number 1? Or is it the one in love with a baby killer, contestant number 3? Ladies and gentlemen, palakpakan natin ang aking baby killer, contestant number 1!
Congratulations! Our avid National Geographic reader.
Remember, your subscription helps to eliminate senseless things like this. At pag meron mag-challenge sa inyo, sabihin sa inyo, hunting is wrong. Tell them, yes, it's 2024. Kailangan tapusin na natin to. Meron mas magandang ayos na pamamaraan para magkaroon ng pagkain sa lahat. At hindi ito yung pananakop ng mga mas maliit na mga bansa para makain nila yung tubig nila, mga tao. At alam ko to dahil may nagbigay ng top secret intel sa amin. Lahat ng mga pinag-awayan ng mga bansa ngayon ay all about food. And when you have extra space, please consider planting vegetables. Dahil ayon sa National Geographic, 1986, alam nyo ba may National Geographic na noon? Kahit di pa kayo pinapanganak. Ang sabi doon, you have to plant vegetables because I like big butts. And I cannot lie. You other brothers can't deny. Kahit mahilig sa gulay, maraming karne.
Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause for our winner, Monica!